Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my picking this Corbin Euro cylinder. It's a lock that J.j.80 sent me a while back. I haven't got around to trying it out that much, although I picked it now about 5 minutes ago. It's a small Euro cylinder, 5-pinner, that J.j.80 pinned up himself, so let's see if we can't pick it once more. Oops. Got a full set, number 2. Yet another on number 1. And this lock does not have a C-clip in the back, so it makes the core flop around. So I have to push it back with my thumb. Makes this kind of awkward. It's a really paracentric keyway as well, so it's hard to get in there. Oops. It's number 1. Okay. Might be overset. See if there's anyone else. Doesn't seem like it. Okay, I'll drop number 1 again. No. 1 is set. This is number 5. So let's go. There we go. I was number 5. Alright. How did it on time? 4 minutes. Okay. That's good. Sorry about the mess. Like this instead. There we go. Okay, tweezers, there we go. No C-clip in the back. Let's see what J.J. put inside this one for us. A spool. Barrel pin. Mushroom. Mushroom-like serrated thing, and it's undersized. Whoops. And this one is a jewel. Check this one out. I don't know which way it was. And this one is really nicely made. And in the bottom we have a serrated. We have some sort of chamfered down standard with a wafer on top. Some mushroom with a very nicely made V shape on that top. Number 4 we have yet another one, and in number 5 we have a serrated, and in the core we can see that we have threading in number 3 and number 5. No, only number 3 and number 5 it's only milled up to a larger diameter. So that's what we have in this Corbin. Whoops, I found a wafer. It's probably here. Anyway, that's what we have. Oops, sorry about the focus. Thank you J.j.80 for the lock. It's been fun, and see you soon.